IDOs or initial text offering has been a popular term in the crypto universe in this market cycle. Even with Bitcoin struggling to go past $50,000, the race to catch the hottest IDO of the month is still on. So stay tuned to this video and find out our top picks for the 6 top IDOs that you should target for December 2021.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. Every day on this channel, I show you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, make sure you smash up the like button and also hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss anything related to crypto, head over to Telegram, join our free channel. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as on the pinned comments. If you would like to join our premium channel where we invest as private investors in these IDOs, then make sure you reach out to me on my Telegram. My Telegram is given on the pinned comments. So without further delay, let's jump on to the first IDO that we'd like to cover today. And the first IDO that I would like to cover today is Sidus NFT Heroes. Now Sidus NFT Heroes is again a game which caters into the metaverse. It has a play to earn category. Also, the NFTs for the Sidus metaverse is already present. If you go to OpenSea.io, you will be able to see that Sidus NFT Heroes has about 5.1 thousand items already listed with a floor price reaching 1 Ethereum very soon. I think this is gonna be a very hot IDO and one of the IDOs that we believe can give investors more than 100x returns. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. Now, how you can participate in the Sidus NFT Heroes IDO? There are multiple platforms. For example, you can participate via Blockpad, GameFi, RedKite, Paid, TrustPad, SpaceSwap, and of course CD5. If you would like to understand in more details about what are the steps involved in participating in the Sidus NFT Heroes IDO, then I would recommend you to click the icon on the right hand side of the screen and it will be a complete guide on how you can participate on the Sidus NFT Heroes IDO. Now let's move on to the next project. The next project that I would like to cover today is Mousehaunt. Now what is Mousehaunt? Mousehaunt is a team-based 3D isometric multiplayer game developed by Isoforce Games as well as supported by Leroy Pad team. Now it presents a new playing styles and welcome players to make techniques in an unusual way with an asymmetric game project for which players face one another with different types of resources. There are two teams in the Mousehaunt, the Mouse Heroes as well as the Ghosts. So you can see the Ghosts right here and these are the Mouse Heroes. So all of these are NFT collections that they will be releasing post their IDO and it's a part of their roadmap as well. A Mice Heroes goal is to get the little paws just on cheese, whereas the Ghost goal is to keep them from getting it. Now the primary objective of a mouse in this game is to get onto the cheese slice as well as whereas the Ghost will be targeting to stop the mouse from getting to the cheese. Users can invest in the game and rent out their NFTs to many other players. Now the token for this Mousehaunt IDO is the MHT will indeed be sold to the users via the whitelist as well as market leading launch pads. Now there's a whitelist that is going on. You can join by clicking here, give a few details of yours and you can join the whitelist. You are able to invest in these IDOs. For the play to earn model, 36 million MHT tokens are allocated and for staking 11.75 million MHT tokens are allocated. So we believe this is going to be a big project that is going to be launching on the CD5 platform on the 20th of this month. So make sure you go to the descriptions below and if you would like to read more about Mousehaunt, I'll link the website there as well. Now moving on, what is the next project? The next project that I'm gonna cover today is called Hololoot. Hololoot is another game which introduces the world's first AR NFT marketplace as well as a metaverse generator. This is important, which is intended for widespread adoption. Now Hololoot is targeting the wider application and wider adoption of the complete metaverse. Now it's created by veterans of the AR sector and combines the most recent advances in the 3D modeling world. Now if we take a quick look on some of the backers of Hololoot, we can see there are players like Engine, who is a major player in the play to earn category. There are Stakes Capital, Tokenova, OIG and a few others as well. The IDO for Hololoot would be held on the December 10th on on the CD5 platform. On the 11th of December, it will be held on Synapse, and on the 12th of December, it will be held on Engine Starter. Now, if you want to read more about Hololoot, the website link would be given in the description below as well. Now let's move on to the next project. The next project that we are going to cover today is Geopoly. So we have already reviewed Geopoly in detail. If you'd like to watch that video, that is given in the description below, as well as you can click the icon on the right hand side of the screen which is appearing now, and you can watch that complete video. Now very quickly, if I have to understand, Geopoly again caters to the play to earn category. It is much more similar to the Monopoly game, in which the gamers can use the geolocation character traits to purchase their preferred personality characters. It is founded by Widow Game, which was started in the year 2013. So the people who are backing these projects are obviously veterans in the market. Now there is a great hype for this IDO as well. The IDOs will be held on pools, CD5 and Engine Starter. Now based on the hype and the news that is around Geopoly, I strongly believe this IDO will give investors great returns in excess of 10x minimum is what I believe. Now let's move on to the next project, and the next project that I want to cover today is called Synchrony. Now what is Synchrony? Now Synchrony is a bit different IDO than what is currently going on in the market. Currently most of the IDOs that you will come across caters to the play to earn or to the metaverse category. However, Synchrony is a truly decentralized asset management platform which is powered by AI and analytics. The platform's major characteristics are copy trading as well as composable indices, both of which are aided by a friendly DeFi farmers. Now as you can see, the main features are copy trading, where you can copy the moves of the big players in the market, as well as what you can do is you can take a look at the indices as well. The Synchrony token will be called the SCY, as well as the total initial supply is pretty big. It's about 1 billion tokens. The Synchrony IDO will be launched on 6th of December 2021 on the Solanium platform. This is a Solana based product, and hence the IDO is held on the Solanium platform. If I have to very quickly take a look on the roadmap, then the first roadmap was about the demo, then there's a platform launch which happened, then they developed the MVP. These steps are done. Apart from that, there's a copy trading platform which they are developing, the cross-chain tooling, as well as the cross-chain deployment, which I think is gonna be the essential factor which will drive the success of this particular product. Now let's jump on to the next IDO. The next IDO that I'm going to cover today is called the Metavpad. The Metavpad cryptocurrency needs to focus on providing a platform for initial metaverse investors. This is significant because metaverse innovation has become the new center for tech enthusiasts in the world today. It is Metaverse's first deflationary launchpad. So this is to be remembered that this has a deflationary characteristics, and the Metavpad will begin with a market cap of only $170,000. Yes, only $170,000. Why are we so much confident about Metavpad? Because it is backed by Bluezilla, which has a history of backing projects which give investors returns in excess of 50x, 100x. The last project backed by Bluezilla which got their IDO was Valhalla, which gave investors returns in excess of 300x. To take part in the IDO, users must have finished the KYC and be staking their MetaV for at least 3 hours prior to start of the IDO. Now, where will the IDO be held? The IDO will be held across all the platforms which are backed by Bluezilla. For example, BSC Pad, Tron Pad, KCC Pad, Game Zone, NFT Launch, Velas Pad, ADA Pad, ETH Pad, and so on. Now, the more details of the IDO date will be released soon on the website. It is not yet released, but because of the fact that it caters to the metaverse category and it is backed by Bluezilla, we personally feel that this project is gonna be huge, and the market cap is also very, very low to begin with. This gives us the confidence that Metavpad is gonna be one of those projects which give investors huge returns. If you'd like to see a detailed review video of Metavpad, go down to the comment section and just comment Meta. Just comment Meta and we will create a detailed review about this project, which we believe next to Sidus could give investors the highest returns for the month of December 2021. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.